So today in this episode, we're going to talk about how to make the perfect combinations for your kitchen cabinet. So to know what is the best combinations of your kitchen cabinet, firstly, I recommend for the material, aluminium kitchen cabinet, and here's why. For the first reason, aluminium is very durable and long-lasting. Aluminium kitchen cabinets are built to last, maintaining the integrity even in tough conditions. Unlike traditional materials like wood, aluminium offers unparalleled durability. It resists warping and cracking, withstands the temperature changes without damage. Secondly, the impact resistant. It does not chip or dent easily from accidental bumps. Thirdly, the corrosion resisting ability. It is ideal for humid climates and kitchens that expose to moisture and cooking fumes. Last but not least, the cost effectiveness. With aluminium kitchen cabinet, of course, you will be having fewer repairs and replacement, and you can save money in the long term. So for the second reason, it's going to be the resistant to termites and pests. While using the aluminium kitchen cabinet, it is a metal, making it immune to the pest problems that plague organic materials like wood. This features offers both peace of mind and practicality when it comes to your heavy cooking kitchen. Firstly, no risk of infestations. Prevents structural damage caused by termites or ants. Secondly, the chemical-free. No need for toxic pest control treatments which may cause the air pollution for your kitchen, ensuring a safer kitchen environment. Thirdly, the hygienic condition. Aluminium pest resistant makes it an excellent choice for food storage and preparation areas. Last but not least, low maintenance. Aluminium kitchen cabinet eliminates all the worries about pest-related upkeep or repair, and it's going to be saving you money again in the long term. So for the third point, it's going to be the practical one, which is easy to clean and maintain. So aluminium kitchen cabinets simplify cleaning and maintenance with their smooth, non-porous surface. Unlike wood, they resist stains and scratches. First, you will have effortless cleaning sessions. Wipe them with a damp cloth and mild detergent to remove grease or any sort of spills. Secondly, the stain resistant. They do not absorb liquids or odors. Keeping cabinet fresh and clean is way easier while you are using an aluminium kitchen cabinet. Thirdly, the scratch resistant. Maintains a pristine appearance even if after years of usage. Last but not least, there are no special treatments are needed when you are using aluminium kitchen cabinet. Unlike wood, aluminium doesn't require any sanding, sealing or even refinishing after years and years of wear and tear. This is why aluminium kitchen cabinet is very good for heavy cooking and in long-term use. So for the last reason of using a aluminium kitchen cabinet, it's gotta be the modern and stylish appearance. Aluminium kitchen cabinet add a sleek and sophisticated touch to any kitchen, enhancing its aesthetic appeal. And firstly, contemporary design complements modern, minimalist or industrial kitchen styles. Secondly, the variety of finishes that aluminium have. They can choose from a tear, glossy or brushed aluminium for a personalized look. Thirdly, the space-enhancing reflectivity. Reflective surfaces make smaller kitchen appear brighter and more spacious. Customizable combination also is one of the benefits. They can be paired with material like glass or wood for unique design. Last but not least, the luxury appeal. The metallic sheen adds a high-end, elegant vibe, especially the 4G aluminium kitchen cabinet, to your kitchen. So, if you want to have the best combination of kitchen cabinet, the ability of soft close hinge can never be missed. So, for the first reason, soft close hinge prevents slamming and reduces noise. Soft close hinges ensure cabinet doors close quietly and gently, eliminating the loud banging noise common with traditional hinges. This creates a more serene and comfortable kitchen environment. The key benefits include quiet operations. It is ideal for open plan homes or families with sleeping children, of course. And second one, the hydraulic dampers. Control the door's movement for smooth and noiseless closing. Last but not least, the less disruptions ability. Perfect for early mornings or late nights when others are resting. So the second benefit of the soft close hinge is gotta be the prolonging the lifespan of cabinets. Soft close hinges protect cabinets from wear and tear caused by slamming doors, ensuring they stay in great conditions for longer advantages. Firstly, the reduced impact. The hinges absorb the force of closing, preventing damage to the cabinet frame and door. Secondly, the maintaining of aesthetic. Avoid chip paint, crack or dents on the cabinets. Last but not least, the cost-saving ability, same as the aluminium material. It's safe and minimize the need for frequent repairs or replacement over time for your kitchen cabinet. So the third benefits for soft close hinge is gotta be the enhanced safety in the kitchen. Firstly, the slow and controlled closing mechanism of soft close hinges minimizes the risk of accidents, making your kitchen safer for everyone. Key features include finger protection. So, it prevents the pinched fingers, especially for children and the elderly. Secondly, the controlled motions. Gradual closing gives users time to move their hands away before hurting yourself. Last but not least, the busy kitchen safety. Reduces the accidents in fast-paced cooking environments and protect your family in the long term in kitchen. So for the final benefit that I'm going to talk about is going to be the improve the kitchen's aesthetic and functionality with soft close hinge. Soft close hinge enhance the overall look and usability of your kitchen, offering a premium feel and added convenience. The benefits below include, firstly, the luxurious appeal. It gives the impressions of a modern, high-end kitchen. Secondly, the increased home value. Of course, soft close hinge is not a cheap ability that your kitchen cabinet can have. So, soft close hinges are often associated with premium cabinetry which add resale value. Thirdly, protection for contents. Gently closing, minimizing the vibrations, keeping glassware or even delicate, expensive items safe from damage. Last but not least, the effortless operations. With soft close hinge, it adds to the convenience of daily kitchen use, making cabinets more enjoyable to use. So this is why you can make the best kitchen cabinet combinations with soft close hinge and aluminium material. Remember to subscribe and like and share our videos. For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing carpentry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So, when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suits your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.